Hello my dear aspirants of DSC. Welcome back to Khalil Master YouTube channel. I have come back again with DSC classes. My dear aspirants, this time we have to concentrate on the important topics like trigonometry, geometry, analytical geometry, permutations and combinations, and similar triangles and progressions, and remaining chapters also we shall discuss, my dear. So in this video we shall start with a new topic, that is trigonometry. So without wasting the time, shall we start the class? We can start our first question. If a right angle is divided into 100 equal parts, then each part is called degree, grade, radian, and none of the above. So as we know very well, if you take a right angle is nothing but the angle made with two perpendicular lines is right angle. This right angle is divided into 90 equal parts. So this is, we divided in only sexagesimal measure. So in this, right angle is divided into 90 equal parts. Each part is called as 1 degree. So total 90 degrees can be formed in a right angle. And come to one more method, that is also can be taken in right angle. Here in this method, a right angle is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called as grade. So here it is denoted by 100 power g, grades. So this is in centesimal system. If you want to know full detail about this, already I have uploaded one video that you can watch it, my dear. What is centesimal system? What is sexagesimal measure? And also one more we have, that is in circle. If you take radius r and here one more r, if you take, it makes an angle theta. So here from here to here the length is r. In that case we can say that this angle is 1 radian, 1 power c. This is called as circular measure. Circular measure. If you want to know full detail about these systems, already I have uploaded one video. That link will be given in the description. So you can watch it. Now come to the point. If a right angle is divided into 100 equal parts, then each part is called. So 100 equal parts, here grades. So option B is the right one. Let us have a look on the second problem now. 32 cot square pi by 4 minus 8 secant square pi by 3 plus 8 cot cube pi by 6, and here 4 options were given. Now we have to calculate it. 32 cot square pi, in place of pi we can take 180 degrees, my dear. Circular measure converted into sexagesimal measure, minus 8 into secant square 180 divided by 3 plus 8 cot cube 180 divided by 6. Now here 32 cot square, you cancel this, 4 1 4 4 4 5, so 45 degrees you get, minus 8 into secant square 3 1 3 6, so 60 degrees you get here, plus 8 cot cube 6 1 6 30, so here you will get 30 degrees, my dear. Now 32 into cot 45, what is cot 45? 1 whole square, minus 8 into secant square 60, so we can write here 2 whole square. So these are the values were taken from the trigonometric table, my dear. How to remember these values, what are the tips and tricks should be applied, that video also I have uploaded. If you don't know, you better to learn this from that video. If you know very well, you can proceed it. Plus 8 into cot cube 30. So what is the value of cot 30? That is root 3 whole cube. So as it has given the cube, that's why I kept a cube here, and here square, and here also square. Now directly we can simplify. 1 square is 1. 32 into 1 is 32, minus 2 square is 4. 4 into 8, 32, plus 8 into root 3 whole cube can be written as 3 root 3. Already sirs, we have studied this one. Now 32 gets cancelled. 8 into 3, 24 root 3. This is the answer, my dear. So 24 root 3. Do we have the option here? Yes, in option D. This is the answer. Now third question is on the board. 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to, the values were given here. Observe that 4 options were given and all are in terms of sec theta and tan theta. So my dear aspirants of DSC, here 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta, this question is given in the textbook of 10th class only. So my suggestion is, whenever we give these type of questions, most probably you have to remember the answer directly, my dear. You need not to calculate. So the answer of this question could be sec theta minus tan theta whole square. Whether it is correct or not, how we get that we shall discuss now. But my opinion, my suggestion for you people, just you have to remember the formula. Okay, come to the point. 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Here for denominator you have to rationalize. So 1 plus sin theta can be written as 1 minus sin theta. This is the rationalizing factor. So rationalize the denominator. 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by, here a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square means 1 minus sin square theta. Then 1 minus sin theta whole square. As you know very well, the first identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta from that. So here 1 minus sin square theta can be written as cos square theta. Now both have squares. Then you can write it as 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta whole square. Hope you understand, my dear. For this whole square, for this square. Hopefully we can make numerator by denominator whole square. Now we can split into two parts here. That is 1 by cos theta inside and one more sin theta by cos theta whole square as it is. Now 1 by cos is what? Sec theta minus sin by cos is what? Tan theta whole square. That's why we can select here sec theta minus tan theta whole square. This is the answer. So we get some problems from textbook where we can select directly option without calculating, without wasting our time, because of every second is important for a competitor. Now one more thing I want to say. Not only sec theta minus tan theta whole square, my dear, he may ask tan theta minus sec theta whole square. You need not to get any confusion here. Instead of sec theta minus tan theta whole square, tan theta minus sec theta whole square. This one also correct answer. Why? Because a minus b whole square or b minus c whole square both are same. But two options will not be given here. That you remember. Right? Now come to the fourth question, my dear. On eliminating theta from x is equal to a sec theta, y is equal to b tan theta, we get 4 equations were given. My dear aspirants of DSC, here I want to suggest you one thing. Whenever you crack any solution in competitive exam, you have to apply the different types of strategies. Why? Because here you observe, this is one of the example. Here sec theta and tan theta were given. Connecting with this sec and tan, we have one identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Means the equation we may bring only 1, not 0. So here most probably these two could not be the options. Now there is a chance of B or D. So this is one of the strategy at the beginning. Then after sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So here minus comes. In this two what we have minus? This is. Most probably this could be the option. Like this, in a short period of time we have to select the option. Then you can save some time. Come to the point, my dear. How it is? X is equal to a sec theta, y is equal to b tan theta. This can be written as x by a is equal to sec theta, y divided by b is equal to tan theta. As multiplication, we transpose it to left side. Now come to the point. To get secant square theta, you have to make it whole square on both sides. So you will get here x square by a square. The same way, y square by b square is equal to tan square theta. Now subtract these two equations. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to x square by a square minus y square by b square. Observe here, my dear. Here I got minus. That's why I have chosen here minus. This type of strategy we have to apply. So the final answer is here secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. 1 is equal to x square by a square minus y square by b square. That's why fourth option is the correct one.